In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Prezi. Locking objects is a simple way to protect your layout so elements don't shift around while you're editing or presenting. It's especially useful for backgrounds, logos, or carefully aligned graphics that you want to keep exactly in place, even when you're working quickly or collaborating with others. First, open your Prezi presentation in the editor. Make sure you're in edit mode and not presenting, so you can interact with the canvas and your elements. Give the page a second to load fully and zoom to the area where you'll be working so you can clearly see the items you want to secure. Next, select the object you want to lock. Click once to highlight it. You'll see a selection outline that confirms it's active. If you need to lock more than one item, select multiple objects before locking. You can do this by holding down the modifier key your device uses for multi-select or by dragging a selection box around the items. Take a moment to confirm you've got exactly what you need highlighted. This is a great time to double-check alignment and spacing, because once the objects are locked, they won't move until you unlock them. Now, right-click on the selected object or group of objects to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, use a secondary click gesture. In the menu that appears, click Lock. The change takes effect immediately. There's no extra confirmation step, so it's quick and straightforward. With the object locked, it's now fixed in place. You won't be able to drag it, resize it, or delete it accidentally. This is perfect for keeping your base layout untouched while you focus on editing text, adding images, or adjusting your presentation path. If you try to move a locked item, nothing will happen, which is exactly what you want when you're working under a deadline or switching between many elements on the canvas. A few tips as you work. Lock foundational elements first, like background images, frames, and brand assets. That way, you build on a stable base as you design. When collaborating, mention to your teammates which items are locked to avoid confusion. And remember to save your work periodically, so the locked state is preserved along with your other edits. That's it. Open your presentation in the editor. Select the objects you want to protect, right-click, and choose Lock. It's a small step that delivers big peace of mind while you create.